cylinder, our oxygen gas is also in compressed state. Our CNG gas, compressed natural gas, is used as fuel in the metropolitan city for the vehicle. For used, our compressed natural gas is also used as fuel in metropolitan city like New Delhi, Bombay, Madras, as a fuel for vehicle. So we can say that our gases have no fixed volume, no fixed volume, no fixed volume, no fixed volume. Third is our shape and size. Shape and size. Solid has fixed shape and size because the particles are closely packed. They do not move. They cannot leave their position. So the solid have fixed shape and size. Shape and size. In liquid state, liquid has no fixed shape and size because suppose that I am purchasing half liter cow milk from the dairy center, Sudha Dairy Center. After purchasing it, all the milk is taken in a jug. That milk take the shape of the jug. If entire 5 ml milk is taken in a beaker, it will acquire the shape of the beaker. If 5 ml milk is taken in a round bottom flask, it will acquire the shape of the round bottom flask. If 5 ml milk is taken in a flat bottom flask, it will acquire the shape of the flat bottom flask. So we can say that liquid has no fixed shape and size. No fixed shape and size. No fixed shape and size. And it has also no fixed shape and size. Now I am coming on fourth property, compressibility. Compressibility. Compressibility, it means we can say that दबने की प्रॉपर्टी. compressibly means दबने की प्रॉपर्टी. तो सॉलिड हैज ऑलमोस्ट नॉट कॉम्प्रेसिबल. ये कॉम्प्रेसिबल नहीं होता है, बट एक्सेप्शन आवर sponge and rubber are compressible because suppose that I am taking the example. In one side I was saying that the solid is not compressible because they are closely packed. There is a strong lattice force acting between the particle. So in this case there is no the particle of solid does not change their position. The particle of solid cannot leave their position. So in this case the solid has no compressibility. Solids are not compressible, but exception our rubber and sponge are compressible. I am taking the example of sponge. A sponge in which there is a space between the particle of a sponge. In that vacant space our air is trapped. When a sponge is pressed by is pressed, when the sponge is pressed by us, then the air between the space which is trapped is come out, and then the sponge is pressed. So we can say that our solid has almost not liquid. Our liquid has compressibility. Suppose that I am taking the milk packet, and if we press the milk packet, our packet is in the position of some compression. So we can say that liquid is compressible. They are compressible, and gases are highly compressible, because due to the highest compressibility, due to highest compressibility property, our LPG gas is kept in our LPG cylinder, our oxygen gas kept in the oxygen cylinder, CNG gas kept in the cylinder. Highly compressible. Our fifth property is that fluidity. Fluidity means flow की property, बहाव का गुण. Fluidity word has come from fluid. We can define fluid. The substance that can flow is said to be fluid. The substance that can flow is called fluid. Our solid has negligible property of flow. Solid do not flow, because the particles of solid do not flow, because they do not leave their position. They cannot leave their position from in their state. So we can say that our solid particles do not flow. They do not flow. But the liquid particle, as we know that our one drop of water containing 10 to the power 22 molecule. It means one drop of water is containing 10 to the power 22 particle. As we know that our liquid particle has some intermolecular space. So the liquid particles are moving from in that vacant space only. So there is some compressibility. So the liquid can flow. Liquid easily flow. But our gases have high fluidity. The intermolecular space, and as we know that our gases particles are continuously moving, so their fluidity property is very high. So we can say that highest property, highly, या इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं, gases can flow more easily. Now the sixth and last characteristics of particle of matter is density. You all student acquaintance with density, we know that the mass per unit volume is said to be density. Mass per unit of substance is called mass per unit volume. mass per unit volume is said to be density. Here density is equal to mass by volume. Here density is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to volume. You all student read in class 8 in mathematics direct proportion and inverse proportion. Here density is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to volume. Directly proportional, if one quantity increase, another quantity is also increase. In inverse proportion, if one quantity is increased, another quantity is decreased. So here in solid, the particles of matter are closely packed. So there is no space between the particle of matter. So we can say that in the arrangement of particle in solid are very dense. So there is a mass of the particle. So there is a mass of the substance. So in this case, the density mass of the substance will increase. So the density will increase. So we can say that solid have high density. High density. High density. In liquid, there is some space. So the arrangement of particle in liquid case is not dense. There is some space. So there is a less mass then less density. So we can say that liquid has less density than solid. Less density than solid. And in the case of gases, there is a great high distance between high interatomic space, interparticle space. So there is a less mass of the gases, less mass, less density, or we can say that very less density. Very less density of gases. So these are the characteristics of solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Now I am coming on the fourth state of matter, and now in the next class, today I am going to finish our the topic till the characteristics of solid, liquid and gases. In the next class I shall teach you about the fourth state of matter, plasma, and the fifth state of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate. So thank you. Dhanyavad.